I'd like to show you my Philips Hostess Trolley. I use it an awful lot for family get-togethers, meals, family meals, Christmas, birthdays, dinner parties, all sorts, and it makes my life a lot easier because I can prepare food and put it in here before my guests arrive. Anyway, I'll show you what it's like. In the top, mine comes with 4 glass dishes with lids, and you could put these on the table, but you could leave them in here. Depends if you're having a lot of people and they can help themselves. Or you could put your own dishes in there. At the front, I have 2 heated trays, shelves, and they get quite hot. So I put my dinner plates in here very often to heat up, as well as the food. Try and fit it all in, and I've got dishes so that I can. Some Hostess trolleys come with doors that only enclose the top shelf and the bottom shelf is open, but I prefer it with the full door on it because I store a lot of the dishes that I use on those occasions inside it, and then pop it away. It's on casters, so it rolls away and is extremely useful because preparing a food for a family get-together or a dinner party can be quite stressful, and it means you can put food in here and get yourself sorted out before everybody comes and it looks like you've not been busy at all. That's the cable at the back, quite a long cable, and I don't know if you can see that, but that is my Philips Hostess trolley, and as I say, it's extremely useful. It wheels about quite easily. So there you have it. They were very popular in the 60s and 70s when people regularly held dinner parties and stuff like that, and food is a lot easier to prepare, I would say. We have a lot of like cauliflower cheese, you can buy it ready prepared, whereas you couldn't in those days. So you can get everything and just cook it in your oven, tidy up, shove it in here, and it's done. So it's a lot less stressful. Anyway, there you have it.